Not too much lag either. What's the boost?
So I guess it's Modelo time, man. Alright, brother. Cheers to blown turbos and more power.
Salute.
Yeah.
It blew apart.
Really? What's up, guys? Over here working on the Evo with our boy Ryan West, as always. Go in the description below. Hit up the link to my Instagram. Make sure to follow us. Same thing, at RaceSpec. And enjoy our video over here assessing the turbo damage. We'll see you guys in a bit. Got about a foot. Keep going. You're good. A little more. Yeah. Yeah, we should have enough space to work on it. Alright guys, so we got Ryan back over here. Gonna get this car running up and nice.
That's the plan.
How do you think we blew the turbo, bro?
Dude, I think you're just a boost whore.
Yeah, so apparently if you, I guess, oversurge it, it blows, which I guess might have been what I did. Kind of try to go full boost right away because I'm used to superchargers. Might have been what happens. Supposed to ease into these. This car's so clean, man. They're gonna pull the bumper right now and then take the turbo off and go from there. Probably drain the oil as well. And hopefully nothing's in there. So yeah, let's get to it. Get this baby back and running. And then I guess the build will start in a few months or so.
Or sooner.
Or sooner.
Hopefully sooner.
Oh god. Dude, I was like, yeah, I'd be
With
too.
this baby turbo, like, it's pretty quick. But
It was, dude. It was really quick for about 20 minutes.
now it's about to get really fast.
Sweet. Alright, cool. Well, let's get to it. Hey guys, sorry about the bad image quality. I was like really messing with my lens. And I was like, dude, like that looks clear, but I'm not sure how clear that really is. Yeah, the lens was loose, so that would make sense. But yeah, jacking up the Evo right now. Ryan's putting in that 10mm to pull the bumper. Gonna pull the radiator. Take the little baby turbo off. Oh, this is so much clearer. Jesus.
Do you have it on a wrong setting?
No, dude, the lens was like loose. Yeah, weird, huh? Man, dude, words did not do justice on this car. Dude, I had a few people on Instagram be like, dude, that Evo's so freaking clean. I'm like, dude, you don't even know, bro. Like it's so much cleaner in person, you have no idea. They're like, oh really? Like, is it yours? I'm like, nah, it's my buddy's. He's had it for 12 years. They're like, what? I'm like, yeah. It's crazy, man. Like, no one keeps cars that long, you know?
Only 2 owners.
You're the second?
Second owner.
Dude, that is so sick. That is so sick.
Rare. I think this is the right size. I can't tell.
But yeah, dude. That's what I was saying. I was excited to take these things on the canyon after work yesterday. That would have been so sick. Then go stunt at the gym with a cam. This car sounds good. There's our project truck for the channel. You guys love that one. Always asking for more truck videos. But you know, get a little bit of everything here. A little bit of RCF videos, a little bit of truck videos, random blowing up your friend's car videos and fixing it.
Channel has everything, man.
Channel has everything, bro. I mean, I hope you can cope with my. Honestly, dude, like my channel really does represent how I am, bro. Like, cause I can't stay in one place for very long. I just like bounce around with everything, dude. So, I guess this kind of fits, you know. It's like 3 truck videos. Oh, Evo. It's like, what? What are you doing, bro? All right, guys, gonna take out these little. What do they call these, Ryan?
What?
The little clips you have with like the Allen wrenches.
I don't know.
Oh, they're bougie, so.
They're kind of bougie, huh?
Yeah, they're kind of.
I feel like it's like the bougiest thing in my car.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
This car's like so not bougie.
I don't know, man. You have a very, very clean Evo. I call it an Evo 9.
It basically is.
Because it is. I mean, this motor's better, right?
It is. Yeah. Less to go wrong.
I mean, that's usually what they call better, right?
Yeah.
Same blow off I have in my truck. Tile 50mm. Or tile Q is what they call it, I think. Mine's purple, though. I wanted it red, but you know.
That's bougie.
I didn't have a choice, bro. It's just what I got. I'm not gonna go buy another one. Alright guys, bumper's off. What's the plan, Ryan?
We either tow it or pull the turbo here. What do you think?
It's up to you, man. Once we take the turbo off, are we sending it in somewhere or buying a new one? What's the deal?
Send it in, get rebuilt.
How long does that take?
2 weeks max. It's not too bad.
It's up to you, man. I mean, if you want to tow it back to your spot, we can take whatever tools we need from here. If you want to keep it here, we can either put it in the garage or in the RV lot back here. Either way, it's not a big deal to me.
Well, let me take the lower off.
Or do you wanna drain the oil first, or do you want to pull the turbo first?
Probably turbo first.
Okay.
Just because that needs to come off anyways. And then as we're pulling it off, if we see any kind of like metal shavings up in the header, we can kind of gauge from there, dump the oil, see if there's any metal in there. But there's a good chance that it probably didn't hurt the motor.
That's what I'm hoping.
But every car's a little different in how it goes, so.
It sounded pretty healthy.
Yeah.
Probably just push it into the garage, I think.
Okay. Yeah, let's do that then.
Shouldn't be too hard.
Nah.
So we'll clean up the boxes that are in the way and push this baby in.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Just made my day.
Yeah, I was gonna get some water for my boy Ryan, but unfortunately we only have Modelo in this fridge.
I'm okay with that.
So I guess it's Modelo time, man. Alright, brother. Cheers to blown turbos and more power.
Salute.
Yeah, let's do it. Oh man. Yeah, so maybe we should probably just we'll load up the bumper on the truck, I guess.
Okay.
And whatever tools you think we'll need.
I've got a decent amount of tools. I think the only thing, my jack is like hella sketchy.
Yeah, we'll take my jack. That's fine.
Let's take your jack.
Then I have 2 sets of jack stands. Do you have like
I have 2 sets as well, so you don't need.
Do you have like a oil container thing?
I do.
Sick.
Yeah, I do.
Loosened
Header's
all the-
pretty much loosened up except for that guy. I need a shorty. He didn't have a shorty. I guess I could loosen these outer ones. Those are 16s. Everything else is 12. These guys are loose. So essentially it's these 2 coolant lines. Drain and take out the radiator.
And then turbo's out.
And then turbo's out.
That's actually pretty cool.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's quick, dude.
Yeah, it's really quick.
You've only been working on this car for 12 years, right?
Yeah, I don't know it at all.
Yeah, that's like me and working on the truck, dude.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I know those motors inside out. Sick. And the tow truck's here. Yeah.
I'm gonna push it forward.
Alright.
Just go like right behind my truck, but I'm gonna move my truck forward a little bit. Get as close as you can.
Alright, keep going.
Yeah, you're good right there.
Alright. Much of the drivability. Not too much lag either.
What's the boost in it?
It's running 30 pounds right now. Takes around 500 wheel.
Yeah, you can borrow the red one whenever you need it. Bum, 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 bum. Hey, Brian. Borrows red truck, blows Pro Charger. That'd be something.
The second video. Part 2. Yeah.
What's up, guys? On our way to go to Ryan's house to fix the Evo up. And a lot of y'all think, you know, this truck's like my baby, which it is, it's my baby. I never sell it. But like, the only time I drive this truck is either A, when I'm like doing wheels and tires for the RCF, or stuff like this, you know, or like transporting the bumper for the Evo. It's like the Fast and the Furious truck for like Paul Walker with the Lightning. Like we just do like trap things with this, man. It's crazy. It just happens like, alright, let's go in our boosted truck and go fix some stuff up, right? He's actually really fast. It's like at the new Trans and the single, probably get most muscle cars out there. Be funny, dude. We're gonna have a bunch of Evo parts in the back. Someone's gonna try and step over, it's gonna be like, ah! Be like, psych, your supercharged 5.0 ain't nothing, brother. This is gonna be fast. But yeah, heading over to Ryan's house right now. Tow truck driver's gonna meet us there and keep going from there, I guess. Bobbing, actually.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And we're out.
Back here over at Ryan's house. Getting the bumper nice and secure. Now we're just gonna wait for the tow truck to bring the Eva over. It should be Gucci.
Should be here soon.
I know, hopefully, man. And tow truck driver has arrived. YouTuber.
Oh, YouTuber?
Yeah.
Alright, you're clear.
I wish I knew how to take pictures, man. That'd be so sick.
Yeah.
I'm no good at pictures.
You're clear by like this one. Yeah, you cleared it by like.
Yeah.
I wasn't worried about that. I was more worried about your.
Yeah.
So if you want to stay in, you're good.
I'm changing the bottom one.
Yeah.
Let's go. It's got like a little drain plug.
Yeah.
That's sick.
Yeah. Koya Rad, baby.
I love that name, by the way.
Ready?
Clear Ride. Yeah, yeah.
All right. It's about to piss everywhere.
Do you have one to put the oil in too?
Uh,
Because I could have brought mine.
I do have some empty jugs. I can just put the.
The coolant in. I feel it coming. Oh, baby. Kind of cool. Does it take the green one?
Yeah. I just put the green stuff in there. It's like oil and coolant together. It's
Ugh.
fucking great.
Dumped it all over yourself.
Yes.
That's no good. Ugh. Wait, there's oil in there? Oh, yeah, because it's an oil jug.
Yeah. I had just like a little bit of oil on the bottom of it.
Makes sense.
Let me clean myself off first, and then we'll do it.
Yeah, it's for sure a priority. True life, we watch our own videos while filming part 2.
All the vacuum lines are on. Figure out what it should be, but.
Pull out the Koyo.
You like my ghetto lighting system?
Yeah, man, we totally could have brought lights from my house. I have like a bunch of them.
Pretty trappy.
It's trappy though. I mean, that's usually what matters.
Street code for sure.
Trap points are what matters, bro. Oh, Koyo Rad.
Freshy.
Such a nice radiator, dude. Low-key jelly. Let's look at all the space we got now.
That major work there, huh?
Yeah, doing a little maintenance. 600 wheels, something like that. Yeah.
As long as they don't watch my YouTube channel.
Yeah, right.
They're Gucci. Thought they do.
Header.
Header's off. No turbo action. How's it looking there? Want me to hit you with a flashlight on the phone?
Yeah, take a look.
Do you have any metal action in there?
Hopefully not.
Yeah, I don't think so. Let's see. Dude, it looks clean.
Looks pretty clean.
What about this side?
Looks clean
That's
in there.
weird, man. Let's see what the turbo looks like. Looks clean in there. I love that. I'm down if you're down to put the bigger turbo on there. Jesus. What was your tuner's name again? Dr. Boom? Yeah. Oh, that'd be hectic, dude.
It didn't go boom until I gave it to you, to be quite fair.
Yeah, I guess you can call me the Boom Daddy.
The boom daddy.
Oh, man. There it is.
Shiz.
I was only holding that thing for like half an hour while Ryan was getting the oil field lines off.
Dude, this thing like blew apart.
Really? Where at?
Look at the like plate right here.
Was that me?
Maybe, I don't know. I mean, yes.
I mean, yeah.
Let's see. We could take off the O2's housing.
That's crazy, man. Like super soaked from just holding it. Good shoulders today, so I'm really feeling it. Little tiny turbo.
Baby turbo.
It's alright. Now we have space for the bigger one. He's so dumb. Because didn't you talk to Dr. Boost about running the big turbo on the stock block?
Yeah, and he's like, let's send it, bro.
You're like, I don't know, man. We've done too much send this past week.
It'd be fun for a little bit.
I don't know, man. I don't know about that.
Yeah.
I mean, it'd for sure be.
I mean, it wouldn't hold. It wouldn't be for like longevity. That's for sure.
Yeah, I don't know. All it takes is one pull, dude. That's all it took with me to blow your turbo apart. It wasn't even like a pull. It was like I was about to start a pull, and it's like, and I'm like, ah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well,
Turbos.
here, I'll hold it. What's this part called again? Like the hot side?
Yeah. So we're taking the O2 housing off. This is the hot side of the turbo. So our turbo sucks in, goes through the exhaust, comes out, and then this pulls it out. This side pulls it out.
These threads are kind of. Let me see. The last few threads are kind of. There we go. Well, guys, I think we found the issue. We're missing a turbo fin. That's cool.
Yeah.
Point to it.
Right there.
It's gone, dude. Turbo seized. So probably went out the exhaust, eh?
Yeah. Probably shot it out.
Good. I hope I hit a nice car. Well, that's that. So I'm assuming the motor's good. I think it sounded good. Well, so the question now, Ryan, is: are we gonna get this turbo fixed, put it back on, or are we gonna full sand Dr. Boom with the upgraded chirp skis? Because you already got a scare of a blown motor.
Yeah.
Do you want that scare again? Is the question.
Not necessarily. I don't think.
All right, then maybe we shouldn't full send. This is massive compared to the old one. We'll do another video of us installing it,
Yeah.
and then we'll go full send and build this baby.
Yeah, we will.
I will not be driving it. We'll just clear that up. We'll be passengers, and Ryan will be driving it.
I'm kind of scared.
I mean, yeah, but if you blow it up while you're driving, we're Gucci.
Yeah.
I don't want to build. I don't want to blow up a fresh build, dude. I'll be like, you know what, Ryan? At this point, just take the F. I will keep this blown up Evo. All right, guys. Make sure to subscribe as always. Make sure to follow us on Instagram, and we'll see you guys next time. Oh, wrong button.